It's been getting late, think I miss somebody.
Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another exciting video of Engineers Review. And in this video we are going to review the most awaited flagship killer smartphone OnePlus Nord 2 5G. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
So what's up with your mood?
The design of OnePlus Nord 2 looks kinda similar to its predecessor, but the design looks aesthetic and it feels sturdy, as well as comfortable to hold. This device has a plastic back with a rectangular camera bump on the upper left side, combined by a metal rail going around the edge of the smartphone with OnePlus branding at center of the back. There is no IP rating of this device, but it claims to be a splash-proof phone. Furthermore, the OnePlus Nord 2 is accessible in 3 tones: Greenwood, Grey Sierra and Blue Haze. If you look at the bottom of the smartphone, you will get a USB Type-C port for charging, dual SIM card slot without a micro SD card. So you can't expand your storage, and also there is no headphone jack. It has a dual stereo speaker setup on the top and bottom of the device that sounds average, but it's much more louder than its previous versions. The power button is on the right side with an alert slider, and the left side comes with volume rockers. Now looking at the display, the OnePlus Nord 2 is getting a full HD plus AMOLED 90Hz flat screen with a 20:9 aspect ratio and 410 ppi, hence it offers an immersive viewing experience while playing games and watching videos. OnePlus Nord 2 has punch hole cutouts in the upper left corner, which didn't seem distracting, especially in the apps that fill up the full screen. Also, the device has the in-display fingerprint scanner and face recognition functionalities with the screen protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The display looks great and has good color accuracy with a brightness of 440 nits. OnePlus Nord 2 has triple setup cameras on the back, comprising a 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 primary sensor. The same sensor was in the Oppo Find X3 Pro. Where the main camera brought decent outcomes in almost all lighting conditions, it was able to capture detailed pictures with accurate colors and sharpness even in the dark conditions, which is great. Furthermore, there is an 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel mono sensor. On the front, it has a 32 megapixel Sony IMX616. The photos appear with sharp edges and properly blurred out background in portrait shots. This device also includes lots of AI features like AI resolution boost, AI color boost, AI HDR remapping that are going to enhance the picture quality as well. Now for the video part, OnePlus Nord 2 can shoot up to 4K 30fps, which works really smooth. Now the most interesting part of OnePlus Nord 2 is that it is the first smartphone to run Oxygen OS 11.3 combined with the Color OS on top of Android 11, which makes a massive change for a regular OnePlus user. UI will offer the user tones of new features with some bloatware too. Still, the UI is pretty responsive and smooth. Moreover, OnePlus recently promised a couple of major Android and security patches updates while sharing a list of its software support for all the OnePlus flagship phones. Unlike its predecessor, OnePlus Nord 2 will be powered by an all-new MediaTek Dimensity 1200 6nm AI chipset. In brief, all of the cores of Dimensity 1200 chipset, including the A55 efficiency cores, are clocked higher than those of Snapdragon 875G. Hence, with this chipset, you can enjoy lag-free performance while playing intense graphic games, accessing multiple apps simultaneously and browsing the web. This chipset offers many AI smart features that will be used to offer better results in photos, video and streaming quality. Now talking about the 5G, the device has support for a total of 6 to 7 5G bands. OnePlus Nord 2 has above average 4500 mAh battery with the support of 65 watt fast charging. That can easily provide you enough power for a day or more worth of use, which is better than its previous versions. Starting with the pros, better camera sensors and AI support to enhance the image results, powerful Dimensity 1200 AI processor, OnePlus will provide major Android and security patches updates, AMOLED screen panel with 90Hz of refresh rate. Now talking about some of its cons. No option for storage upgradation, its design and build is quite similar to its previous version, no IP rating and wireless charging in the price tag. At last, OnePlus Nord 2 brings some great features like a fluid AMOLED screen, stereo speakers and much faster processor which makes it a good successor. Now talking about the price segment, the 6GB RAM model is expected to be priced at 27,999, while the 8GB RAM model costs Rs 29,999. And at last, the 12GB RAM top model costs 34,999. We have given the best buy links in the description box below, you can get it from there. With this review, we give the smartphone a 3.5 out of 5 rating. So what do you think? Is it really flagship killer smartphone? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel Engineers Review. And you can also check out an amazing gaming channel Mimic is Live, whose link is in the description. Bye bye and take care.